Take the Grove to DuPont connector cable and remove the jumper lead that is on the outside position opposite the black jumper by flipping up the small tab on the Grove connector. This jumper lead could be either yellow or white depending on the manufacturer. Remove the black plastic housings from the remaining female connector ends by flipping up the small locking tabs. Fan out the legs of a Honeywell SS451A bipolar Hall effects sensor. Note that the resistor and capacitor should be attached behind the sensor. The front of the sensor has a chamfered edge. Take a 1000 ohm resistor and bend the legs as shown. Then align it with the sensor so that the top of the resistor is in line with the bottom of the straight section of the sensor legs, 2 mm below the sensor body. Snip the resistor legs so that they are level with the bottom of the sensor legs. Next, bend the legs of a 0.1 microfarad capacitor as shown. Then snip them so that they fit under the resistor. Insert the right leg of the sensor and one leg of the resistor into the female end of the yellow jumper and then solder the joint. The resistor should be behind the sensor from this view. Insert the middle leg of the sensor and one leg of the capacitor into the female end of the black jumper and then solder the joint. Use a pick or other sharp object to expand the female connector of the red jumper wire a little. Insert the 3 remaining legs into the female end of the red jumper and then solder the joint. Put the soldered assembly into the sensor housing with the chamfered edges of the Hall effect sensor facing down. Use the small notches in the housing to separate the jumper wires and ensure that there are no short circuits between the various components. Fill the sensor holder with hot glue.